Does this air fryer oven address common problems that you all have with air fryers, and can it finally help you switch to healthier cooking? Let's evaluate and see if it actually deserves space on your countertop. The team at NESTER kindly shared this NESTER full stack air fryer oven to review. But like always, opinions are my own. One problem which users of air fryers have always called out is that it is time consuming to make multiple dishes in the air fryer sequentially, one after the other. This NESTER full stack air fryer oven has a multi-tier design. You get 3 separate racks. You can make smileys on the top rack, pizzas in the middle rack, and garlic bread at the bottom, all at the same time. It triples your cooking capacity without taking up triple the countertop space. Another common problem with users of air fryers is that the food becomes too dry and rubbery. This is because just air frying can take out the moisture from the food being cooked. This NESTER air fryer oven comes with a SteamLock technology so that you can steam along with other cooking functions, giving your dish a crispy exterior while keeping the inside soft, juicy, and evenly cooked. The SteamLock function can be used with any of the modes of the air fryer. Amongst those, the tandoor and air fryer modes dispense the maximum amount of steam. This steaming function is only to add moisture to the food being cooked, not to make steamed dishes like steamed vegetables, steamed momos, and idlis. Now, to eliminate another common pain with air fryers, which is the need to open the drawer and shake or flip the contents, this NESTER air fryer oven has 2 rods on both the upper and lower part of the air fryer, along with a powerful fan which is used to circulate the hot air from the rods for a 360-degree airflow throughout the air fryer. This NESTER air fryer oven ensures even cooking of the food on all sides without flipping. It's ideal for making fries, fryums, roasted nuts, or even roasted vegetables or chicken with a charred flavor. This air fryer oven has 8 presets: roast, pizza, cookies, snack, bake, tandoor, air fry, and reheat. And if you want more control, you can always use the manual temperature and time settings as per the recipe of your choice. Temperatures can go up to 230 degrees Celsius and time up to 60 minutes. Now, while Teflon is generally considered okay to use unless it is used incorrectly, that is, it has scratches or is peeling or is used in high temperatures above 300 degrees, which air fryers don't support anyway. It is a widespread concern many have. If this matters to you, this air fryer oven has a stainless steel interior and all its accessories are also made of stainless steel. So it is significantly easier to maintain, and especially after cooking heavy Indian masala. Even the exterior is made of stainless steel, easy to clean as well. While the exterior of the air fryer does have heat resistance, being stainless steel, it can get heated up a bit with longer cooking times. The NESTER full stack air fryer oven is a modern looking air fryer with aesthetic colors, smoked caramel and dalgona brown. This 16-liter air fryer oven is ideal for cooking large portions, whole chicken, or multiple dishes at once. The air fryer has temperature, time, and preset controls using knobs, again addressing a common complaint of digital display failure in many such appliances. It comes with a stainless steel crumb tray which eliminates the need to frequently clean the bottom of the air fryer. It also comes with 3 stacking trays, a mesh tray, a baking pan, and an oven organizer, all made of stainless steel as well. In addition, accessories like a silicone mitten, spatula, brush, and tongs worth 3,000 rupees come free with the product. Any oven-safe utensils like stainless steel, borosilicate glass, or iron can be used in this air fryer oven. If you're looking for an air fryer that cooks consistently on the inside and outside, then this steam air fryer oven from NESTER is the right choice for you. It helps you solve common problems many users have with air fryers: 360-degree airflow for even cooking, steam function for consistent cooking on the inside, stainless steel interiors, and cooking multiple dishes at once. At the time of making this video, this NESTER full stack air fryer oven is available at about 19,000 and comes with a 3-year warranty. You can check the latest price from the links below. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.